I'm working with this one client who reached out in frustration that their Google Business Profile was not even popping up when they typed in their business name. And when I went and looked at the profile that's been around for a long time, it was because two reasons. Yes, you had it set up, but there was no activity. There were no reviews, there were no posts or updates on it. Because there was no activity, Google didn't know whether or not this person was still in business. Well, I've been working with them for 3 months now, and not only in the last 3 months since we've been more aggressive about collecting reviews and daily posting on their Google Business Profile, not only has there been an upward trend, but this last month, it tripled in the amount of views, calls, and website visits. The traffic tripled to their Google Business Profile, and they are finally starting to get the lead generation from local search that they've been wanting. Obviously, super excited about these results, and we're going to continue doing exactly those strategies so that we can continue to grow in impression and reach. As much as I love these results for that client, I also want this for you as well. So if you've got a Google Business Profile that's been around for a while and you're not getting the activity that you had hoped for, start aggressively capturing reviews and start sharing updates and watch how it starts to increase.